Okay. Look here, this is the third numerical on model number 2, that is energy exchange in turbo machines. Let's read the problem carefully. Steam leaves the rotating blade as shown in figure. Evaluate the absolute velocity in magnitude and direction, which was asked in the year BTU June 2011 for 6 marks. So the figure is given. The figure is given in the question itself. This is the row of moving plates. So he has considered the cross section of a single blade. This is a cross section of single blade, and here he has given the outlet velocity. Yeah, this is a VR2. The relative velocity component at the outlet VR2 is given as 150 meter per second. 150 meter per second. The corresponding angle is 30 degrees. So you have to tell what is this 30 degrees. Okay. And also he has given u. The tangential velocity is 100 meter per second. 100 meter per second. So in this condition, we have to get the value of v, that is absolute velocity v2, because he has given the information about the outlet condition. That means vr2 is given. Now, may I know what is this 30 degrees? What is this 30 degrees? I'll give the hint. VR2 is making an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal plane. What is 30 degrees?
Sir, beta 2.
Very good, very good, very good. We know that beta is the angle made by VR, the relative velocity component, and alpha is the angle made by the absolute velocity V. I repeat, alpha is for V, beta is for VR. Okay? Should never forget this. So for VR2, the 30 degree is nothing but beta 2. So here we have to draw the outlet velocity triangle. The corresponding outlet velocity triangle is given by outlet velocity triangle. So this is the corresponding outlet velocity triangle. It's very simple problem. This is VR2. This is V2. And this is VF2. The angle made by VR2 is beta 2, which is already given 30 degrees. And for this, the angle is alpha 2. The corresponding other vectors are, this is u, the tangential velocity, and this is vu2, the tangential velocity component. What he is asking us to calculate, evaluate the absolute velocity meaning v. Evaluate the absolute velocity. Yeah. Evaluate the absolute velocity, that is v at the outlet, meaning v2. Its magnitude. Magnitude is its value. And what about the direction? What about the direction? Direction is nothing but you have to calculate the value of alpha 2. Alpha 2 is the angle. The corresponding value of v2 will give its magnitude. Okay. So absolute velocity we need to get the v2, that is magnitude, and direction is alpha 2. Okay? v2 and alpha 2 need to be calculated. Fine. So here you know the value of VR2, you know the value of beta 2 as well, because 30 degrees given already, and u is also known. VR2 is known, beta 2 is known, and u is known. If we take the triangle A, B, C, and D, how you get the value of V2? Just now we have seen in the previous numerical. How to get the value of V2? Which formula you are going to use? Which rule? bolo, which rule you are going to use? VR2 is known. Just observe the velocity triangle ACD. ACD and tell me which rule you are going to use.
Cosine rule, sir.
Cosine rule. Using cosine rule to the triangle ACD. The triangle ACD, V2 square equals to U square plus VR2 square minus 2U VR2 cos beta 2. 2U VR2 cos beta 2. Yeah. V2 square equals to U is 100 square plus VR2 is 150 square minus 2 into 100 into 150 into cos beta 2 is 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Okay. Get the value of V2 here. Take the square root and get the value of V2. Come on fast.
80.74.
80.74. Yes. 80.74. This is in meter per second. This is a magnitude for absolute velocity V2. This is the magnitude for absolute velocity V2. Now, if you get the value of alpha 2, that will give you the direction of V2, right? So V2 is known. How to get the value of alpha 2? Yes. First, get the value of VF2. V2 will be known, and you can get the value of alpha. Yes. You know the value of VR2. You know the value of beta 2. Get the value of VF. So from triangle ABD, from triangle ABD, that is sin beta 2 equals to VF2 by VR2. VF2 by VR2. So VF2 equals to VR2 sin beta 2. VR2 is 150 and the sin beta 2 is 30. Sin into sin of 30 degrees. Get the value of VF2.
75, sir.
It is 75. Yeah, 75 meter per second. You know V2, you know VF2. Yes, you can get the value of alpha from triangle ABC. From triangle ABC, sin alpha 2 equals to VF2 by V2. So alpha 2 equals to sin inverse of VF2 by V2. Alpha 2 equals to sin inverse. Alpha 2 equals to. Yeah, waiting for your responses. Alpha 2 is Mr. Viresh, Vijay Lakshmi,
Yes, sir.
Sir, 682.26. 68.26.
68.26. 68.26 degrees. This is the corresponding value of alpha 2. Yeah, alpha 2 gives the direction of V2, and this V2 value gives, this V2 value will give you the magnitude of absolute velocity at the outlet. Is that clear, all of you? Please respond, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So only 4 students have attended this session. I was expecting more number of students because hardly it will take 2 more classes to complete model number 2, numericals on model number 2. And after that, we'll start the steam turbines, very interesting one, where we'll use the graphical method to solve the numericals. Okay, hardly you'll get the 3 derivations. So if you are perfect with those 3 derivations plus some theoretical concepts like compounding and all, and you can score good marks in that particular module. Okay, so with this, we'll conclude today's session here itself. You can find this same video lecture on YouTube. So today we have solved the 2 numericals. So for both the numericals, you can watch the video on YouTube. Kindly watch the video completely and hit the like, share, and subscribe this channel. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, which author to be referred, sir, for turbo machines?
So for turbo machine, you can refer the Yaya book by Tata McGraw Publishers. Tata McGraw Publishers. This is good book. Or else you can refer a VTU book, that is Turbo Machines by Govinda Gowda. Turbo Machines by Govinda Gowda and Nagaraj. Govinda Gowda and Nagaraj. And for hydraulic turbines, you can use R.K. Bansal book, the Fluid Mechanics and Fluid Machinery by R.K. Bansal book. So my notes is a combination of all the books, and I have referred almost 2 to 3 textbooks, and I have referred the previous year question papers as well, and I have prepared the notes. Okay. So at the end of today's lecture, we will share the notes, the PDF notes on WhatsApp. So kindly refer those notes on model number 2, because already I have sent model number 1 notes, both numericals as well as theory, right? And today I'll send the soft copy or the PDF on your WhatsApp, the model number 2, both numericals as well as the theory. Okay. Any other queries?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, students, any other queries that you want to ask? Any clarification?
No, sir.
you want? Okay. Well, students, thank you and have a nice day. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, students.
Thank you, sir.